Thank you for reaching FTC4 production. Thank you for your eternal support and coming back to my channel and providing me all the love, all the warmth that I need. I'll do the same for you. This is the reason I'm here, giving back to my community in every way possible. You asked for it. This is the time where I bring you airdrops. Kapoom! Today I want to actually share with you something hot. As hot as the Arabian dessert. Grab your chance to win 100,000 SLV dollars and Teddyverse mystery boxes powered by Slavi Dubai request. $100,000 bull as equivalent of SLB. The token sales is over, but those who spread the word about Slavi still have the chance of grabbing a share of the project's native SLV tokens. The more points you get, the more chances you have of winning a prize. Important. Show your knowledge about Dubai and the Slavi project. What's the Slavi project? Slavi is the first cross-chain decentralized SuperDApp with 30 plus blockchains and one-click access to Web 3.0, Play2Earn and NFT services. Slavi DApp came up with a unified staking solution for the SLV token. Slavi support most popular blockchain protocols: Binance Smart Chain, Polkadot, Solana, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dash, Ethereum, Tron, Polygon, and more. And the project is growing faster and faster. The Slavi Wallet is already on the App Stores. Some major products currently in the works: NFT Marketplace, Rich Daddy Club, Play2Earn, NFT Game, ATM and Banking Solutions, Cross-Chain DEX and Global CEX. How you like me now so far? Huh? You got 16 days left. 16 days. So 16 days, rewards will be based on ranking. First place, you have $2,500 equivalent on SLV. The second place is gonna be $1,500 equivalent on SLV coins. Third place is gonna be $1,000 equivalent on SLV coin tokens. Fourth place is gonna be, fourth place gets something? Yes, $500 SLV token. Fifth to the 10th place, oh my god, we're still getting something to the 10th place, $200 equivalent SLV. 11 to 20 place, these people want everybody to win. $100 equivalent SLV place. Random prices, 5 Teddyverse, mystery box pack, 4 NFT Rich Teddy, and 1 VIP Teddy. Beer cost is $50,000. Holy cow. Holy my holy. Unbelievable. I like that word, unbelievable. It actually remind me this company called Humble. When it began, it was a crazy mania. Right now it's nothing that much, but they have a lot of projects. People say like unbelievable instead of, it's really cool. Anyways, moving forward. Term and conditions. Each user can only participate once per account. The Slavi project. The Slavi project. Sorry about that. The Slavi project team will determine the winners in the final, and this is a clear and irreversible decision that cannot be reviewed or appealed in chat via spam. Be part of our rapidly expanding project. We value honest and hardworking community users. Please do not spam us with floods of meaningless messages. I gotta tell you something. Come on, these people are trying to do their thing in a very passionate and very nice way possible. For those folks out there, that don't like to play by the rules, bring some integrity into here, okay? You know who you are. Whoever out there is, bring some integrity. Don't get caught, because they all will catch you with your pants down if you actually start to spam them and trying to bring your business over there. These are hardworking people that are focused on one goal only. Let them do their thing. They are not interested in anything else that is not related with their own business. I hope you understand and respect that. Having said that, you have 18 ways to enter. God damn it. Follow at Slavi_IO on Twitter. That'll give you 20 points. Oh my gosh, they give you points for that pipeline. Only 1 point give you 20 entries. And you just gotta follow on Twitter. How easier can get that? Very easy. For you to get 20 more points, entries, you gotta join a Slavi DApp group on Telegram. How you like me now? This is easy as, I don't want to say it, because YouTube has some regulations. Don't make me cursing here, please. The third point is join to at Slavi Coin on Telegram. That's another 20 point. God, Christmas. I ain't cursing. No cursing in here. It ain't happening. I am not doing that. Don't make me curse. Don't make me curse. Join to Discord. I give you 50 points. Oh, I'm gonna cry. I am gonna cry. Oh my God, this is crazy. This is crazy. Then download Slavi Wallet. That give you 200 points entries. My heart pound over. Oh my God, 200 points only for downloading a Slavi Wallet. Are you serious? And 1 point to enter your Slavi address, of course. Duh. Now, this is the surprise. If you complete these 6 steps, then it's gonna unlock the 320 more entries for you to get those entries in some other participant there, and anyways, gonna leave it up to this point because I don't want to feed you all with more intel, but it's not that much else to say. But I'm gonna put the URL of this page that you're looking at down below the video description, so you can actually check it out and read all this on your own pace. I'm doing this so you don't say that I'm been pushing you and you was going too fast and this, and that, and D and there. All right. So if you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to write me down below. And I also want you to share with us, everybody, the audience of FTC4 production, if you participate, how did it go? Did they download the points right away? How did you feel with the with the audience of Slavi at Twitter, Telegram, and Discord? How did it go? Did you like it? Do you like the project? Anything that you experienced when you joined in and when you got your first 20 points, let me know from that point on. How did it go? And that way I can bring more stuff like this, hot like this, so you enjoy it. All right. I hope you win, because if you do, that is fulfilling my request, my goal, which is bringing you stuff that bring you value to your life. All right. Good luck, and until the next video.